Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to build a simple LED circuit. So what you'll need is a 470 ohm resistor, one LED or light emitting diode, this breadboard, and a power supply or a 9-volt battery. But this breadboard has a power supply built into it, so we're just going to go ahead and use that. So this is a standard breadboard. It's pretty much a construction base for a circuit, and it's a little bit different because it has its own battery built in. This red wire is going to go into here, the +5 to +15 slot, so it can output 5 to 15 volts, and this black cable is going to go into ground. Now what a ground is, it's a direct electrical connection to the earth, and it's important because it provides a reference level where all voltages in a system are established and can be measured. Now, this is what the setup will look like on paper. As you can see, the resistor and the LED are both connected in series. And now, we're just going to implement this on the breadboard and start building. First, with the breadboards that have their own power supply, you want to measure how much voltage is coming out. Because if the voltage is too high and if we connect everything, then the LED is going to burn out. So this is a multimeter. We're going to go ahead and turn the breadboard on. This is a multimeter, and right now it's only outputting at 3.5 volts, and we want it to be at 9 volts. So simply we just use the screw, turn the dial, and slowly it'll go up. And we want that to be at around 9 volts. And 9.0 or 8.98 is fine as long as it's close to 9. So once that is done, we're going to hook up the resistor and LED in series. So the way breadboards work is, if you connect it like that, this whole top row is going to be in series with the top side of the resistor, while this whole bottom row here is going to be in series with anything connected to that wire. So we want the LED connected to the bottom side. And LEDs, they have a long wire and a short wire. We have to make sure that the long wire is connected to the resistor. So we would plug that into this hole right here. You can see it's the same line, same row as this resistor. Plug it in, and the second wire of the LED, it doesn't matter, you just plug it into another hole. Now we're going to connect the positive terminal to one side of the resistor and connect the negative side to the LED and ground. Right now this is at 9 volts. The LED is lighting pretty bright, but we can turn this down and we can see that the LED just disappears after a certain voltage. And when it turns on, it should be around 0.7 because that's what the characteristic of the diode is. And we can just turn it on and turn it off. And there you go, you've made your first LED circuit.